What's up everyone, this is that guy Bacon here, back with another Infinity SMP video. Today, we are going to be reconstructing the village around our trading hall, cobblestone generator, iron farm, and villager area. Now, this has been a project that I wanted to do for a while, and now it's going to be end up being my mega base. But I got really tired of looking at the generic village buildings, especially when I built the trading hall. It just looked out of place and I didn't like that. So I decided to rebuild all of the buildings and probably build some more buildings as well. Now sadly, I did lose some of the footage from this video. I lost the tearing down of the old village as well as some of the terraforming that I had to do. So I'm sorry about that, and I'll do my best not to have that happen again. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you like and subscribe if you do. One of the challenges of this build was the amount of wood that I had to use. Before actually constructing these buildings, I spent about 2 hours chopping trees and ended up with about 2 shulker boxes full of spruce logs. And I ended up using about a shulker box and a half, maybe like shulker box and 2/3 of the other one. It takes a lot of wood to do this, and I learned from building the trading hall. It's best to have all of the wood that you need before you start building. Once I finish the construction of all of these buildings, I will then go back and work on the details of the area surrounding them. This includes paths, wagons, wheelbarrows, and maybe even some farmer market stalls. This will happen in later videos, of course, but this is my plan to add more life and depth to this village instead of just having a bunch of buildings next to each other. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please make sure to like and subscribe. I hope to have another video coming out in the next week or two. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.